This huge building located on State Street in West Boise was going to be the future home of the new Interfaith Sanctuary until a new ruling from the Idaho Supreme Court. I'm your West Boise neighborhood reporter, Jessica Davis, and neighbors are happy to hear that plans are officially put on pause.
So many of our residents have been writing to me with just an overwhelming sense of relief.
Relief for some and concerns for others, as the Idaho Supreme Court overturned a Boise City Council decision to grant a conditional use permit for a new shelter facility in northwest Boise near Veterans Memorial Park.
It's too much to ask one neighborhood to bear the weight of the societal problem.
Katie Decker is the president of the Veterans Park Neighborhood Association and joins neighbors in celebrating the court's decision, expressing concerns with how the shelter would have impacted her neighborhood.
They didn't present any way to deal with the overflow. We thought it was likely they could end up camping in our neighborhood and kind of relocating the problems that homelessness brings from downtown to our small residential neighborhood.
We reached out to Interfaith Sanctuary's executive director, disappointed by the ruling. She says they intended to challenge the court's decision and petition for a new hearing. The new location was projected to open this fall, with space to house at least 200 residents. We previewed the project last spring.
This is all about welcoming and giving them the ability to have hope and dreams again.
And although it appears those hopes and dreams are halted until further notice, construction was still in full swing when I stopped by the project site. I wanted to know how the city felt about the court's decision to overrule their decision. Boise officials tell me their legal team is reviewing the court's ruling. City officials haven't had a chance yet to discuss next steps, but the Veterans Park neighborhood is happy with where things stand now.
We understand that homelessness is a tragedy, but the solution to that tragedy isn't putting everything into the low-income area of town.
Now stay with Idaho News 6 on air and online as this story continues to develop. I'm your West Boise neighborhood reporter, Jessica Davis, reporting for Idaho News 6.